Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and welcome to International Relations English Class B. I am Muhammad Farhan. In today's video, we are going to talk about understanding paragraph. Well, we need to understand what is paragraph. A paragraph can be defined as a group of related sentences about a single topic. Just as sentences have specific components like core parts, paragraphs also contain particular elements that are necessary for a complete meaning to be conveyed. There are three elements of paragraph. There are the first is topic, second is main idea, the third is details. As I said before, a paragraph generally has three essential elements: topic, main idea, and details or some details. Well, a topic is the one thing the paragraph is about. It is the unifying factor, which every sentence and idea contained in the paragraph relate to. The second is a main idea. Main idea is what the author wants to communicate about the topic. It is the central or most important thought in the paragraph. Every sentence and idea in the paragraph is related to the main idea. The sentence that expresses this idea is called the topic sentence. In a paragraph, details are the proof, support, explanations, reasons, or examples that explain the main idea. So, to illustrate the existence of this element in a paragraph, I suggest you to study the following two groups of sentences. The first example you can see also in the presentations. Cats frequently become aggressive when provoked. Some plants require more light than others due to coloration of their foliage. Some buildings, due to poor constructions, waste a tremendous amount of energy. The second example, I read, some plants require more light than others due to coloration of their foliage. Plants with shades of white, yellow, or pink in their leaf need more light than plants with complete green foliage, etc. Well, I will explain the first item. In the first item, the groups of sentences were unrelated. Each sentence was about different things, and there was no connections among them. This is not a paragraph. The second item, we can say that the second item is a paragraph. It has topic, which is plan, a main idea, which is plants require varying degrees of light due to colorations, and supports detail, which is the example of the Swedish ivy. The first sentence functions as a topic sentence in the second item. Next, we are going to identifying the topic of a paragraph. The topic of paragraph is the subject of the whole paragraph. It is the one thing the whole paragraph is about. Usually, the topic of paragraph can be expressed into two or three words. To find the topic of paragraph, ask yourself these questions. What is the one thing the author is discussing throughout the paragraph? Look at the following examples. In recent years, the importance of vending machines has rapidly increased. Actually, vending is little more than extension of the self-service trend except that added location flexibility is realized. Blah 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 etc. You can see also in the presentations. So I will explain about these examples. In this example, the author is discussing one topic that is about vending machines. Throughout the paragraph, the author discussing about only one topic, vending machines. Notice how many times the word vending is repeated in this paragraph. Frequently, the repeated use of a word can serve as a clue to the topic of paragraph. So we can say that in this example, vending machines is the topic of this paragraph. So we can jump to the next topic about finding the main idea. The main idea of paragraph tells you what the author wants you to know about the topic. The main idea is usually directly stated by the writer in one or more sentences within the paragraph. The sentence that states this main idea is called the topic sentence. The topic sentence tells what the rest of the paragraph is about. In some paragraphs, the main idea is not directly stated in any one sentence. Instead, it is left to the reader to infer or reason out. To find the main idea of paragraph, first decide what the topic of the paragraph is. Then ask yourself these questions. What is the main idea? What is the author trying to say about the topic? Which sentence states the main idea? You can see also in these examples. The Federal Trade Commission has become increasingly interested in false and misleading packaging, blah 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 blah, until to be much more. I will explain this example. In this example, the author is discussing about false packaging. This is the topic of the paragraph. And what he wants to say about this topic is that the Federal Trade Commission has become increasingly interested in false and misleading packaging. This is the main idea. Since the main idea is stated in the first sentence, so it is the topic sentence. I mean, it is also as topic sentence. Next, we are talking about positions of the topic sentence. The topic sentence is not always placed in the beginning of the paragraph. It can be located anywhere. The following are explanations and examples of several positions where the topic sentence is most likely to be found. Each type of paragraph has been diagrammed to help you visualize how it is structured. The first is it is located in the first sentence. The most common placement of the topic sentence is first in the paragraph. In this type of paragraph, the author states the main idea at the beginning of the paragraph and then elaborated on it. Usually, in this type of paragraph, the author is implying a deductive thought pattern, which a statement is made at the beginning and then supported throughout the paragraph. You can see the examples in your screen. I already enclosed the example here. You can see the examples. The first word is the main idea. It is located in the first sentence. Next, in the last sentence. The second most common positions of the topic sentence is last in the paragraph. In this type of paragraph, the author leads or builds up the main idea and then states in the sentence at very end. You can see also at your screen, I already gave you the examples, and the topic sentence or the main idea is located in the last paragraph, in the last sentence on the paragraph. Third, in the middle of the paragraph. Another common placement of the topic sentence is in the middle of the paragraph. In this case, the author builds up the main idea, states in the middle of the paragraph, and then goes on with further elaborations and details. You can see the example on your screen. I already give you the examples, and you can see that the topic sentence on the main idea is located in the middle of the paragraph. The fourth is in the first and the last sentences. Sometimes an author uses two sentences to state the main idea or states the main idea twice in one paragraph. Usually in this type of paragraph, the writer uses the main idea in the beginning of the paragraph, then explains or supports the idea, and finally restates the main idea at the very end. You can see also the examples at your screens. The first sentence in this paragraph is the first topic sentence, and the last sentence in this paragraph also the, the topic sentence. So there are two topic sentence and the main idea in this paragraph. So we jump to the next explanations of recognizing details. Nearly in all communications, most general statements are open to misinterpretations or misunderstanding. Realizing this, most writers carefully provide their topic sentence with appropriate supporting details to prevent any misinterpretations or misunderstanding. The details in a paragraph are those facts and ideas which prove, explain, support, or give examples of the main idea of the paragraph. Once the topic and main idea have been identified, recognizing the supporting details is a relatively simple matter. The more difficult job involved is the selections of few key or most important details which clearly support the main idea. So, It's all about this topic about understanding paragraph. I already explained about what is paragraph, what is main idea, what is topic, which positions of the topic sentences located in a paragraph, and also the last is how to recognize details in paragraph. I hope you understand it. Don't forget to practice it at home. I hope you understand. Thank you and goodbye.